Well, a federal judge has now ruled Arkansas's 10 Commandments law unconstitutional, blocking it from being enforced. And now parents across Northwest Arkansas are voicing their thoughts. Good evening and thanks for joining us here tonight at 6 o'clock. I'm Allie Lynch.
And I'm Doug Warner. You may remember the suit to stop that law was filed by a number of Northwest Arkansas parents. KNWA's Michaela Rodriguez in studio. You talked with parents and a local professor to try to make sense of this legal decision.
Yeah, well, it's a spectrum from parents and residents alike as this conversation moves from the courtroom to the community.
On March 16th, the federal judge ruled the law requiring the 10 Commandments display in public schools classrooms as unconstitutional, finding daily exposure to the writings as coercive, with the judge saying children cannot similarly avoid reading the 10 Commandments for 13 years of compulsory schooling. Legal experts say the decision came down to context, where and how those displays would be seen.
It matters if it's a history class versus a chemistry class, right? What does the 10 Commandments have to do with chemistry? Nothing, right? Yet it does have something to do with history, and so the context matters.
But outside the courtroom, many with children in the classroom are expressing a mix of opinions about the final verdict. For some parents, like Springdale mom Tara Putnam, the decision is personal to her child's education and freedom of religion.
I think the separation of church and state is so important, so that my children can decide what they want to do spiritually.
Putnam says her children have different beliefs, and these should be conversations left for parents at home.
I have some that are agnostic, all the way to one who identifies as Jewish. So there is a huge, diverse, group of 10 Commandments there. We've had the conversation about, the 10 Commandments, and so I don't know that having it in the classroom would benefit them as individuals.
However, others believe the 10 Commandments in classrooms was important, with some saying it was a matter of teaching good morals or teaching the history of a nation they believe was built on Christian ideologies. Going forward, Rivera says while the general ruling is final, the question of the 10 Commandments placed in schools may not be over.
And it's not over, as the state says they will be appealing the verdict, keeping the conversation going in the future. Now, we've been following this case for a while now, which you can read more about on our website at knwa.com. Reporting in studio, Michaela Rodriguez, KNWA, Northwest Arkansas News.
All right, Michaela.